Hi guys, welcome to our new video. So we have this machine is a MP3054. So today we're going to show you how to take out your waste toner. So it's necessary to empty it because it's gonna stop printing and start dumping on the paper if you don't do empty it. So you come here by the side, is this, hold it, put it down. So some machines they have this, like this one, it has only one screw. Some they don't have. So process is to take out this. Okay. Then press here, press in there, you take it out. After taking it out, here there's some here. You can dump it wherever you want to. Sometimes people do this, open this or open this. You can see this. Take out that, take out this, then you can dump it out. So let me talk to him here. Tish. I'm gonna dump this. I want to take out this waste toner.
Okay. What you need?
You want to take out the toner, waste toner, because your hands are having something. Slide that. You're sliding that before. Yeah. See, we're sliding this. So me, I don't have gloves, but it's fine. It's fine. You bought some? How much? No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll put on gloves after. But you're right. We need gloves because this thing's gonna make me dirty. But I'm at work, guys. Okay. So what will happen, guys? You slide this guy. You see? But not all of them. You have to slide. Open for him. Who's that? To do. Okay.
When you leave, you're going to tell me. You just close
The windows.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. We're taking out this. You have to make sure it's empty. And also, don't do it. Like, make sure you put on a mask on your face so that you don't inhale this. Okay, so I'm using one hand to do this. When it's empty, then you can put it back in the machine. You'll feel it because this is plastic. So I feel there's a lot, still there is. It can take a year plus to be full, even 2 to 3 years, depending how busy you are. It's not something which gets full like easily. If you're too busy, you can see what's coming out. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think that is fine for us. So let me pass this side. Okay, once you are done, okay, I'm gonna put it back like this. You put it and it clicks in. Once it clicks in, you get your screw here, put it there. Okay, once it's done, it's fine. So other machines are not the same like this, but it's the same like a 4054. This is a 3054. So there's a 4054 by the side here. Okay, here. So this is the same thing. You can do the same thing. But most of Ricoh big machines, you might do the same procedure. So I'm done here. I will need some tissue to wipe my hands. See, the hands are dirty, so that's why we say you need at least you need what they call you need gloves. So toner is gonna go on your hands and you need to wash and all that. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's it, guys. So if you have any question, you can leave it here in the comment box below. So we work on different machines. So sometimes HP like here, sometimes the Ricoh like this, sometimes the HP, sometimes the Ricoh, because we do work on different machines. We don't work on Ricoh only. Yeah, no, well, that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. That's gonna push us to do more videos like this. So it's always not a good idea to watch a video which teaches you something and just leave without even subscribing. You never know. One day you might get a very important video from us. So also maybe you can ask a question and we'll do a video for you. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.